how to use Twitter X communities feature. So for that, let's get into our X, and then from here tap on your profile right here. You can tap on communities, and then from here you can now start exploring your own community right here. You can tap on the search icon right here and start searching for the exact community that you're looking for. If you tap on the home page right here, you can now discover all of the trending communities on the X application. So for now, I'm going to go with explore, and let's search for some technology community just like this. And in here you can see I really like this particular post right here. I'm going to tap on it, and in here I'm going to search for that community. Here you can see Apple, just like this. And in here, what you can do is simply tap on join and join the community. After joining it, you can simply tap on the plus icon right here and start creating your post for this exact community. And that's how you can use it on your X. And that's it.